Okay, it is February 8th, 2013. It is Friday, February 8th, 2013. Here in the northeastern New Jersey, the Garden State of New Jersey, which happens to be very white right now. And we are having the blizzard, the nor'easter, the snowstorm of historic proportions, like they say on the news. As you could see, it is coming down heavy. All right, here in northeastern New Jersey, Bergen County. And let us see just how good a job the Department of Public Works in my town does when it's all over with, when the snow stops. But we are supposed to get heavy amounts of snow. Okay, there's the big tall pine tree. All right. Oh well, I guess I'm going to be snowbound. I will not be doing progressive discussions this weekend. It is postponed because of the storm, the nor'easter. So I will most likely be snowbound. Have plenty of food. I have the bright LED lanterns ready just in case we lose power, which I hope to God we don't. And but the internet talk radio station, Mega Life 21, hard-hitting, progressive, liberal internet talk radio station is on the air. And who knows, I might do some shows to keep me busy here while I'm stuck later on. I will do some, maybe I'll have some guests, perhaps. And, hey, February is notorious for having the most snowfall. I guess cross-country skis would come in handy on a day like today. Also hot soup, which is what I will have. Homemade chicken soup that I made with egg noodles imported from Poland. I don't buy that Pennsylvania Dutch American-made garbage. That is not real egg noodles. So who knows? Maybe I'll make my homemade vegan sourdough whole wheat pancakes. Maybe I will make hellfire chili in the pressure cooker. You know, whatever I do, it's all good. The only problem is I have no liquor in the house. I have no wine. I only have craft beer. I believe I only have Yinling's Lord Chesterfield Ale, which happens to be the best quality. Yinling is the very finest quality beer with the lowest price that you can buy. But beer is good in the summer when you're very thirsty. When it's hot, it goes down great, ice cold. But in the winter, you need the hard stuff. You know, Johnny Walker, good scotch, high quality dark rum, Irish whiskey, you know, Bushmills or Jameson's. You need the hard stuff. Some good red wine would be great too. Shiraz, I like Yellowtail Shiraz, or Yellowtail Pinot Noir, okay, or Cabernet, but I like the Shiraz. Yellowtail is a very high quality, low priced Australian wine. Oh well, we have to make the best of this situation. Not the first snowfall of 2013 for New Jersey, but the first big blizzard for 2013. The first nor'easter. So that's it. I'll catch you later. We'll see what's going on later on the video. Okay, we're back with the first blizzard of 2013 on a Friday. All right, snow's still coming down. First nor'easter, as you could see. It's a heavy blanket of snow here in the Garden State of New Jersey, northeastern New Jersey. We're supposed to get high winds though, dangerously high winds. There's the tall pine tree we have in the front. Supposed to get high winds later on. I hope it doesn't knock any power out or cable TV. And there's the street. What can you do? Mother Nature wins again. There's still many thousands of people remain homeless because of Tropical Storm Sandy. They're still waiting for federal funding. Fat chance with the Republicans in charge of the Congress. But that's it. That's it from this angle. So for our near and dear friends living in the tropics all around the world who never experienced this, it's a lot different watching it on the internet or looking at a photograph compared to actually being in it and having to shovel this stuff and clean your walkways and dig your cars out. It's a Scandinavian person said made some ridiculous statement that there are no bad winters, just people that do not know how to dress for it properly. Well, let me tell you something. You could be bundled up in layers all you want. You're still out there breathing this icy cold air. You're still out there and it's freaking cold. Nevertheless. Okay. We'll catch you later after the sun goes down. Okay, here we are. The first nor'easter blizzard of 2013. It happens to be Friday, Friday of February the 8th. February the 8th, 2013. And it is nighttime, of course. And the wind is kicking up. We're supposed to have high winds though. But no, here we have it. First blizzard, first nor'easter of 2013 for the New York, New Jersey metropolitan area. There we go. Tall pine tree that I always show. And the street. Let's see what good of a job the Bergen County Department of Public Works does. Of course, somebody's calling to try to ruin my video with a telephone ring. I will have to take care of that individual. All right. So far, everything's been good. With no interference in my video here. But you know, how good can it be when you are snowbound with family members that nag you and try to tell you what to do? They told me to go shovel, and I told them that I rather wait until the storm is finished before I do so. And with the wind chill factor, it's pretty cold. There are the bamboo wind chimes chiming away. Oh yeah, the wind chill is definitely pretty bad. So, do I want to go out there? No. Plus I got to work out. Today's Friday. And get ready to watch WWE SmackDown at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm no fan of the McMahon family, but I watch it because it's nothing better to watch. You know, I'm extremely happy that Bruno Sammartino is being honored as the newest member of the WWE Hall of Fame. So it's about time. He will be announced, I think, on WrestleMania. But anyway, this is it. First blizzard of 2013. That's it. First nor'easter blizzard of 2013 for the New Jersey area, northern New Jersey area. Wind chill kicking up. Not promising. Old Man Winter doesn't really clamp down on the northern United States until February. That's when you get the most snowfall. Actually, that's also when I used to start doing ice fishing, when I was crazy enough years ago to do ice fishing. And of course, I did not get any volunteers that wanted to come with me. So I had to nag somebody to come with me. But I don't do that anymore. That's it. Take care, people. Still wish I had good whiskey in the house.